Hi, I'm Taryn, and I'm going to show you how to create a permanent link for a specific enforcer. This link provides you direct access without having to log into your enforcer. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your enforcer management portal. Then you're going to click on View All under Enforcer Management. And now you're going to choose the enforcer you'd like to create a permanent link for, and you're going to log in. Once you've logged into your enforcer, you're going to click on the menu button in the right top hand corner, and you're going to click on Manage Profile. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on Persistent Access and then click Update. Now you can either open the link in a new tab or you can copy and paste in a new tab and bookmark it. Remember, you can get now easy access for your phone, tablet, or computer. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.